Michigan, a haven of diverse beauty woven into a rich tapestry of rolling landscapes, vibrant cities, and historical landmarks, a state that appeals to every type of traveler with its wide-ranging attractions. Let's embark on an exciting journey to discover 10 places to visit in Michigan. At number 10, we have the Royale National Park, a wilderness island teeming with wildlife and natural beauty. A secluded escape, the park is home to thriving wildlife and offers miles of hiking trails. It's truly a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Ninth on our list is the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore, a picturesque landscape of towering sand dunes. These dunes offer panoramic views, invigorating hikes, and are steeped in a rich legend that breathes life into the landscape. A breathtaking spectacle of nature's creation. Coming in at number 3 is the Detroit Institute of Arts, a treasure of global art. Housing over 65,000 masterpieces, this museum is a beacon of creativity and inspiration, showcasing works from the earliest civilizations to the present, a must-visit for every art enthusiast. Number 7 brings us to the Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum, a world of interactive discovery. Here, imagination meets education as you explore over 250 exhibits. It's an engaging hotspot for families, sparking curiosity in kids and adults alike, a fun-filled experience for the curious minds. At number 6, we visit the Big Sable Point Lighthouse, a beacon of history and stunning views. Nestled in Ludington State Park, this towering lighthouse, built in the late 19th century, offers panoramic views of Lake Michigan's vast expanse. A historic marvel not to be missed. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Old Mission Peninsula, a slice of wine heaven. This peninsula boasts stunning vineyards offering a unique wine tasting experience that marries flavor and beauty. It's a feast for the senses, a treat for wine lovers and sightseers. Fourth on our list is Mackinaw City, a hub of history and natural beauty. This city offers a wealth of historical sites to explore, along with splendid recreational opportunities. Its iconic Mackinac Bridge is a must-see, a city that perfectly blends history with nature. Coming in at number 3 is the Motown Museum, a tribute to a musical revolution. This iconic landmark stands in testament to the birth of the Motown sound, housing a collection of memorabilia that shaped the music industry as we know it. A must-visit for all music lovers. Number 2 takes us to Mackinac Island's historic sites, a journey back in time. Here, history is alive, preserved in grand Victorian homes and horse-drawn carriages, as no cars are allowed. It's an idyllic island, exuding a charm that's truly timeless. A timeless retreat from the modern world. And finally, at number 1, we have the Henry Ford Museum, a portal to America's innovative spirit. Boasting a vast collection of historical artifacts, its exhibits breathe life into the pages of American history. It's truly a testament to America's ingenuity and determination. And there you have it, 10 places to visit in Michigan. From the rugged wilderness of Royale to the historic charm of Mackinac Island, Michigan offers a rich tapestry of experiences. Experience Michigan's beauty and diversity, and create unforgettable memories in the Great Lakes state.